Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our contacts app, and right here we have to click on the three dots in the right top corner, and then we have to click settings. Now we have to open blocked numbers. As you can see, I don't have any blocked numbers, so I'm gonna add one. As you can see, here is my blocked number, and to unblock this number, all we have to do is just click on this icon right here and click unblock. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!